Quick heads up, click the link in the description to grab your SiteGround discount. Snag your SiteGround deal before it's gone. WordPress officially recommends only 4 hosting companies. Guess which one nobody talks about? If you're tired of hosting headaches, click the link below for an exclusive SiteGround discount. Trust me, you'll want to hear this story. The answer is SiteGround. And here's why that matters more than you think. While everyone's fighting over the same 3 big names, SiteGround quietly became the hosting company that actually works. Started by a college kid in a Bulgarian dorm room who got tired of terrible hosting service. 20 years later, they're hosting over 3 million websites and nobody crashes. Let's peek at the real thing. Clean, fast, and packed with smart features. Here's what makes them different. They're completely bootstrapped, meaning no investors breathing down their necks demanding corners be cut. Everything is built in-house on premium Google Cloud infrastructure. They've got AI systems blocking millions of attacks daily while you sleep. Their support team actually knows what they're talking about because they built the whole system themselves. And get this, they sponsor over 50 WordPress events a year because they're not just selling hosting, they're genuinely part of the community. While other hosts nickel and dime you with hidden fees, SiteGround focuses on one thing, keeping your website fast and online. Ready to join the 3 million smart website owners who chose the host nobody talks about? Click that link below for your exclusive discount. Your future self will thank you.